As most bucket manufacturers do, Rhinox offers various hanger style brackets, the most common one being the standard 2-pin style. However, we also offer 3 styles of US attachment brackets. Here today I've got the Bobcat X-Change style attachment and I've got the Kubota Quick Attach. We also offer the John Deere style Wedgelock attachment, which we will be launching very soon. In this video we're going to be running over how these hanger attachments are compatible with your machine and also what range of attachments these work with. So the question you may ask is, what type of attachments do we fit these hanger brackets to? We can fit these to a range of different attachments which are found on our website. One of the most popular attachments that we sell these brackets with would be the tilt ditching buckets. These are very common in the landscaping industry and these are commonly used on golf courses as well for clearing out bunkers and other angled areas. These can also be fitted to our micro trenching buckets, which come in various sizes, 3-inch, 4-inch, 5-inch or even 6-inch width. These are perfect for narrow trenching utility work, burying cables and water pipe underground. We can also offer these attachment hangers fitted to our heavy duty ripper tooth range. This tool can be used to rip up stumps, concrete slabs and other demolition work. We can also offer these attachment brackets to suit our rake riddle buckets. These are very commonly used in the landscaping industry for finishing off topsiding work, general property maintenance and clearing brash and other debris from storms. We also offer these brackets fitted to a various range of other attachments, which would include the skeleton buckets, the land clearance rakes, and also our standard range of digging buckets and grading buckets. So a few questions you may have surrounding how do these attachments actually mount onto your machine. Firstly, the Bobcat X-Change. This is a unique design to Bobcat. They came up with this a few years ago and is commonly found on all the E-series models, which are the latest design, and also the X-series range, which is the older models of Bobcat. So just briefly going into how this fits to your coupler. Firstly, you'd engage the locking pins under the front hook and then curling the attachment round, you push the bracket into the ground and this would engage the bottom half of the coupler, and then this enables you to slide the pin either manually or hydraulically through the holes on the side of the bracket. On the later models this is hydraulically activated normally, so this can be operated from the cab. So moving over to the Kubota Quick Attach design, this does work in a similar way to the Bobcat. The coupler mounts into these half moon shaped brackets. As you curl the attachment round, it engages and folds round and it locks into the U cutout in the side of the bracket, enabling you to slide the pin through the rear and then putting a locking split pin through the end of the pin, and then you're all good to go. We also offer the John Deere Wedgelock system, which we don't currently have here today. To briefly describe this does lock in a similar way with a slightly different shape bracket. It has a wedge shape out the front and then there's a locking block that is inserted into the back of the Wedgelock bracket. This is tightened up using a bolt fixing. We will be launching the John Deere Wedgelock hanger system very shortly, so please subscribe to our channel and look out for this, which will be available very soon.